My name is Anat Admoni, and today I'm going to teach you how to make some Middle Eastern spreads. So I'm making hummus or hummus. So hummus is a very typical Middle Eastern spread. I think in each region they do it a little bit different, but they all have more or less the same ingredients. After the chickpea, I boiled, I strained, and I put it in the ice bath so it's cool very fast. 2 garlic cloves inside. Tahini is a sesame paste. Usually it's around 20 to 25% ratio between tahini and chickpeas. Here I have some fresh lemon juice. I like my hummus very lemony. You can cut the lemon. A little bit cumin, ground cumin, and a little bit more salt, black pepper. And now we're gonna have cold the ice water, slowly without the ice. Right when it's almost ready, we're gonna put a little bit olive oil. Beautiful. This is beautiful, smooth, nice light color of chickpea. All right, so we're going to make today like eggplant mousse. People call it baba ghanoush, but it's a little bit different than baba ghanoush. When you go out to pick up eggplant, there is few things you need to look. Have as little bruises as possible. That is beautiful dark color, and also the weight. This is a little bit heavy. That means there is a lot of seeds inside, and you want to pick something that is feel very, very light in your hand. In probably 20 minutes to half an hour and a medium to high heat over the stove, it's going to be a beautiful, beautiful, soft eggplant that you can just scoop the meat out of it. Here is 3 beautiful eggplant. So you open this, just like that, and then you take a spoon and scoop it out. When you have the ingredients in hand and everything is cooked, then it's really take no time. Then it's like 5 minutes and right there. So here we have all this beautiful eggplant. We drain it a little bit, put it inside the blender. We're going to put some tahini, and then we're going to put some yogurt, a little bit fresh lemon juice, salt, fresh pepper. The honey does it just kill the bitterness and it's make it very balanced. I really like that trick. I'm going to start very slow. So right now we put it in a quart and let it sit for a few hours before I will serve it. It's still delicious now. Of course, you shouldn't buy this kind of spread. You can make them at home. They're easy, take no time. They're absolutely delicious and fresh.